Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm out in Alaska here with Ivarr, as you can see, and what we're doing is we're going to be out for a day's hiking, and we're scouting an area in the valley in Tia Longbo. So really amazing scenery around us right now, and I'll give you a pan around in a sec.
It's actually dark out, but his camera's doing a really good job of not making it look like it's dark.
It is, yeah. So it's early morning. The sun's just starting to come up over the feature that we're going to walk through, and I'll pan you around and have a little look now. Check out the mountains behind me here with the snow on, and that saddle there where the sun's just coming up. That's where we're aiming for, through there and beyond there. Check out that scenery, hey? Awesome stuff. And here's Ivarr behind me there. And also, check this little fella out. He's been a bit camera shy. There's Dane. I'm sure a lot of you know Dane from Ivarr's video. So he's there for our bear detection and protection.
It works.
Yeah, along with a little bit of freedom, Shamon. So, with that said, let's go on there. Let's go and have a walk.
Mention the temp.
Say again?
Mention the temp.
Temperatures, yeah, it's pretty cold. Pretty cold.
Everything's got a glaze of black ice on it, so that's made it interesting.
Yeah, so this track that we're on at the moment is kind of covered with a layer of black ice. You've got to be quite careful not to take a fall as we're walking here. And what sort of temperature are we on, do you reckon, Ivarr?
Right here, right now, it's probably 25 with the wind chill, probably colder than my balls. So.
Yeah. So what's 25 in Celsius then, mate? Is that -3 or something?
I think so, yeah. It's about thereabouts.
Yeah, we'll check it out. We'll put the actual Celsius in the comments there. All right, we're going to crack on with it now, and this is the trail we're taking.
TIA, baby.
TIA. So we've been walking down this track that you can see behind us for a little while now. The going's a bit better on the foot, but it's quite treacherous as well because there's ice underneath.
I already ate it once.
Yeah, there's ice underneath this little smattering of kind of snow here. So 1 minute it's okay, and then the next minute you can be sliding. So we're both being quite cautious in how we're moving, because you know we don't want to become a casualty out here. That could be quite nasty. But other than that, we're just taking in these views. It's pretty amazing. Looking up at the mountains and hillsides around us here. Just loving it. Because guess what? TIA, baby!
TIA all the way. TIA all the way, every day.
All right. So we just stopped for a quick quick rest, and perfect time for a quick brew in the old trusty thermal mug. As they used to say on Blue Peter, there's one I prepared earlier. So Ivarr's getting some water from a stream, so you probably couldn't get any fresher water than a source like this. Going to be a lot fresher than from the taps probably. So yeah, he's obviously treating it as well, but yeah, perfect.
Millbank bag.
Yeah, millbank bag in it if you need to.
Homemade.
Cool shit. But yeah, little water source there running down off the mountains. So you probably couldn't get any fresher water than that. You know, it's definitely going to be better than buying it from a supermarket even, I guess. But yeah, seen plenty of moose so far. Apparently it's Moosapalooza, is that right?
Moosapalooza.
Yeah, Moosapalooza today, which is awesome. For me, it's you know, first time I've seen a moose in a while. So you know, apart from downtown at some of the clubs I've been to in all the shots, the first time I've seen a real moose. Mega. Hey, Mr. Moose. How you doing?
He smelled him a long time ago.
How you doing?
And he is right here. He's jumping.
Let's just check this guy.
Oh, that's the thing. Nobody will check you out. I think it may be something. Let's keep it up.
So we've just stopped off for a brief break, and what we're going to be doing is just chilling out, getting a few snacks on board, resting, and obviously getting a brew on, because it's the law. What do you reckon? I am the law. Yeah, man. The obvious 3-in-1, which is always good, cuts down on rubbish and stuff. Using an AK mag there. There's a base. America. There we go. And then you don't even need to stir these, because all you do is put your lid on. And as long as that's on nice and tight, just give it a shake, and that's good to go. And that will stay hot for a couple of hours. And for anyone that's not using one of these kind of mugs, not necessarily a Life Venger one, but one of these kind of mugs, these thermal mugs, I think they're awesome.
Hello, people. Making a brew just like he is in my tiny coffee cup he made fun of.
It's like the smallest cup in the world, man. Look at that little thing.
Here for scale.
Yeah, it's like an Action Man cup.
Action Man cup.
G.I. Joe cup.
Hey, that's LARPing.
Yeah. So there's a real cup. There's a baby.
That is, yeah. There you go. That one goes in this one.
Yeah, cool. Nice, man. You got a little S-Bit stove there, yeah?
Yeah. I'm a big S-Bit fan.
Man,
Die-hard S-Bit fan.
Doesn't that make you like a terrorist or something, making
It
bombs
probably
nowadays?
does. I'm sure I'm on a list somewhere in Downing Street or something.
In England you would be, yeah,
Yeah.
You're not allowed that shit anymore.
MI5 knows who I am.
Yeah, so watch out. Maybe you have to black out your face on the video. Cool.
TIA.
Okay, go.
Come on, Danny boo.
So we're heading back to the car park now. Just heading back down off the hill. Had a great day out. Saw some moose for the first time, which was
Always awesome.
Yeah, mega tick in the box for me. Had some had a bit of lunch and a brew. Sat out in the woods here and just took in the view. So good bit of PT as well. Good bit of exercise. And
Some kit eval.
yeah, so exactly that. Yeah, so using some new kit here. So
Yeah, I got my new chest rig. I'm pretty pleased with.
cool. Yeah, and it's the first time I've used some of the gear that I've put out today. Yeah, so it's pretty chilly out today. We'll have to have a look at what temperatures it actually was, but it was definitely minus a few degrees centigrade for definite. Especially when that wind got up, it was quite chilly.
It's below freezing back here right now.
But it's all right when you're moving. You just got to be careful when you stop. Obviously got a brew on and all that, so that was good. Anyway, yeah, just heading back now, and looking forward to getting back and getting some dry kit on and chilling out.
Sorry man, I didn't mean to cut.